Hi there, welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, we'll walk you through how to set up and customize the horizontal ticker section. The horizontal ticker section allows you to display continuously scrolling content across your storefront, helping you highlight promotions, announcements, featured messages, trust badges, brand information, and other important content in an eye-catching way. It's a great way to improve visibility for key messages while keeping your store engaging and dynamic. Let's get started. Accessing the section. To access the horizontal ticker section, start by opening your customized Debutify theme. Next, go to Template and locate the horizontal ticker section. To enable or disable this feature, go to Theme Settings. Then open Growth Widgets. Once enabled, return to the template and select the horizontal ticker section. To add it, click Add Section. Search for horizontal ticker and select it. After adding the section, you'll be able to customize all available settings. Under Show On, you can choose where the horizontal ticker section will be displayed. Desktop. The section appears only on desktop or laptop devices. Mobile. The section appears only on mobile devices. Both. The section displays across all devices for maximum visibility. You can upload background images to enhance the visual appeal of the ticker. Enable Show Overlay if you'd like to display an overlay on top of the image. With Image Overlay Opacity, you can control how light or dark that overlay appears. You can also control the border radius using the available global and default settings. Enhance your section's visual appeal with background patterns, designed to add depth, texture, and personality to your storefront. You can choose from a variety of pattern styles, including none, curved grid, rings, diamond grid, quatrefoils, hexagons, intersecting circles, brick wall, formal invitation, Jupiter, YYY, temple, and lips. Each pattern offers a unique look from subtle geometric textures to more decorative and expressive designs. All background patterns come with the same set of customization options, giving you full control over their appearance. You can select a color that matches your store's branding, ensuring the pattern blends seamlessly with your overall design. Adjust the size to control how large or small the pattern appears. You can set a value between 4 pixels and 100 pixels, allowing for anything from fine, subtle textures to bold, eye-catching visuals. You can also fine-tune the opacity, with values ranging from 1% to 100%, to control the transparency of the pattern. Lower opacity creates a soft, subtle background effect, while higher opacity makes the pattern more prominent and visually striking. Scroll direction controls the movement flow of the ticker content across the screen. You can choose left for a standard marquee style movement, right to reverse the direction and create a different visual rhythm based on your layout preference. Scroll speed lets you control how fast the ticker content moves across the screen. You can set it anywhere between 1 and 30 seconds, where lower values create faster movement and higher values produce a slower, more relaxed scrolling effect. Pause on hover temporarily stops the scrolling animation when a user places their cursor over the section, allowing them to clearly view and focus on specific content without distraction. The desktop gap setting allows you to control the spacing between ticker items when viewed on desktop devices. You can adjust this value anywhere from 0 pixels to 50 pixels. Similarly, the mobile gap setting lets you define the spacing specifically for mobile devices. This helps ensure the ticker remains visually balanced and easy to read on smaller screens. Just like on a desktop, you can set the gap from 0 pixels to 50 pixels, depending on how compact or spacious you'd like the layout to appear. Match the horizontal ticker section to your store's branding with color schemes, including light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background, or custom. Create your own color palette for full control over the section's appearance. Adjust top padding to control the space above the section content. Choose from Inherit, None, Small, Medium, Large, or Custom. If you select Custom, you can manually set a value between 0 pixels and 100 pixels. Similarly, bottom padding lets you control the space below the section using the same preset or custom options. You can enhance your section with blocks such as advanced double button, caption, description, double button, icon, icon with text, image, single button, subtitle, and title. Each block comes with its own customization options, giving you full control over your layout. If you're using testimonial blocks within the horizontal ticker section, you can customize several settings to showcase customer feedback effectively. Adjust the star rating to highlight customer satisfaction and help build trust with potential buyers. Customize the testimonial text to display authentic customer experiences and reinforce confidence in your products or services. Upload an author image to add a personal and credible touch to each testimonial. Add or edit the author name to clearly identify who the testimonial is from and make the feedback feel more genuine. Choose a color scheme that aligns with your store's branding. Available options include light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background, or custom background for complete design flexibility. And that's it. Your horizontal ticker section is now set up and ready to go. If you need any help, feel free to contact the Debutify support team. We're always happy to assist. Thanks for watching and happy customizing with the Debutify theme.